the accounting change, the Jalan committee had okayed it, but it had actually been recommended earlier by the Maligram committee, if I'm not wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I just want to understand from you, now the accounting principle is solid, that you're selling right now, you benchmark it to your historical cost of having accumulated Forex over a large period of time. But surely the RBI knew this, but for a long period of time, they continued with a far more conservative principle, which was benchmarking the sales to the weekly revaluation rate. Can you help us understand why that conservatism had been retained in the RBI and what you think of the principal shifts?
Right. Actually, RBI was not happy in moving towards this particular way of accounting. RBI wanted to be conservative, but the international accounting standards and Indian accounting standards prescribed that by whatever is the capital gain out of the long-held assets, whether it is foreign currency assets or domestic assets, a bank should be by explicitly bringing in through P&L, and any transfer it want to make to the reserves, it should be through the P&L. So that is the new accounting principle, which have been not new in the sense that it is new in the sense that in 2000s it had come. But Reserve Bank has been resisting to move to that kind of standards all along, saying that as a central bank, we would like to be very conservative. This income which should not be distributed in principle, it should go to shore up its reserves. So that was the rationale by which Reserve Bank was resisting from moving to this particular way of accounting. But as I said, that international accounting standards, Indian accounting standards, auditors went on insisting that Reserve Bank should move into this new principle. And finally, it was granted in 2016, if I remember. So 16-17, it was agreed that, yes, we'll move towards that. So that's why it is not that Reserve Bank just to gain this kind of profit in the P&L account, it wanted to move. It is the accounting principle followed across the world.
Understood. So one of the issues that comes up in this, and the market has been grappling with it, is that the RBI doesn't disclose this historical weighted average cost, does it? I mean, and if it doesn't, why don't they disclose it? I know it would change day to day, but surely some sort of benchmark can be provided to the market.
It is not for the market, right? It is for the auditors to check. Auditors do check that, and whatever is the gain out of that is properly brought into income account. So, what is the point in disclosing to the market? I'm not at all clear about the rationale why such a information will be required by the market. What is the holding cost of the dollars or any other asset there is a bank would be having? I don't think in any way it makes sense for disclosing that. I am not aware of that argument at all.
What are the risks of disclosing it? I mean,
no, it is not. What is a risk?
No, in disclosing it, I mean, if the if the market is aware what the weighted average holding cost is.
Because it is a multi-currency asset, so it is not easy to bring in that kind of information. In what way it is helping the market, I'm not aware. Because when you say that some information should be disclosed, that it must be relevant to the market, not just because somebody wants it.
Okay. No, I think they're just saying that then it's easier to determine what kind of dividend would emerge out of sales. But leave that aside, sir.
No, dividend will come if Reserve Bank realize in a way that information is available. If you look at the CGRA.
Yes, sir.
So that is unrealized gains or losses which Reserve Bank makes on its assets.
Yes, that's not.
So that will be an indication, indirect indication. What's the kind of profits Reserve Bank can make should Reserve Bank sell these assets and realize that particular gain. So that is already available there. But how much it will sell, that depends upon its Forex intervention operation. That can never be predicted, right? How much dollars it is going to sell, and in the process, it is going to realize capital gains. So that is not easy.